Welcome to Blitz RC. Just got the Midnight Pumpkin out. Got the DBX07, even though the rear diff's not going that well. But yeah, got the Midnight Pumpkin out. Put the little conversion I've done on the back here. WL Toys wheels on the wheelie bar. Hopefully that's going to give it a little bit better wheelies. Shouldn't be running on 3S like that, but anyway. Yeah, I think it's going to go pretty well. Had a little rip just before. Got to try and be careful. I don't want my dog to go too silly. Definitely more stable holding the mono. Me not having very good control of the throttle because I'm trying to drive one-handed. So much fun, these old tamiya kits. Bouncing around and horrible suspension, but just gives you the old kick of actually driving an RC car. I don't know if it's for just us old fellas or if young people can actually get into it. But yeah, really enjoyable. I've always wondered with the Midnight Pumpkin kit why there is a hole right here. It looks like it should have a servo in it. No one's told me. Anyone knows, comment below please. Be good if it was for a winch maybe, but I wouldn't really use this as a recovery vehicle. Definitely does better monos now. Oh, I didn't get that on camera, just did a front flip. Oh, we've crashed. See if we can't get one more mono going. It's hard. This ESC does not like going into reverse very well. What's he? I just reckon that's absolutely hilarious. Hey, down! Come on, down! Shush. As you can see, she only wants one car to go, which is the big car. Anyway, we'll switch to that, give it a run out the front. It's got a terrible diff in the back at the moment, keeps spinning it around. Can't get it to run straight, but we'll give it a go anyway. The Midnight Pumpkin was fantastic as always. What a hilarious laugh. You got a few bucks and you want to buy something cool in the RC modelling thing. You're not looking after something that handles well, gives you a few laughs, definitely go for this. So we get the DBX7 out, see how that goes.